welcome to Ruakaka Beach. We're here to paint seagulls today, so let's go have a look.
You can bring a coastal painting to life just by adding a few seagulls here and there. But how do we do that really well? In this lesson we're going to paint a simple beach scene and then start painting all sorts of different seagulls. You're going to learn how to avoid common pitfalls and how to create natural groupings. You'll learn all sorts of tips like how to practice on a painting without practicing on a painting, how to get the drawing more accurate, how to paint calligraphically with as few brushstrokes as possible, and which are the very few details you need to paint a convincing seagull. And you'll learn about the importance of reflected light and how to get the sizes right, and a whole lot more. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work, and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.